think it should be in focus now. Yes, yes. Um, been a long time. Haven't made a video in over, I don't know how long, probably over a year, 2 years, whatever it is. But so far, I've been working at an MSP, it's a managed service provider. I kind of wanted to show everyone a little bit of what I've been up to, kind of a little bit, sort of like a day in the life, but not really. Yeah. So this video is pretty much that. I'm going to take you along with me on a client site when I visited recently. Pretty much just showing you what I did on the day, kind of describing it. I can't really show much, no information related to the client and whatever it is, but I can explain what I did and a little bit of how that visit went. All right, let's go. Now, this is me. I am looking for what's needed in that closet, or at least what's in that office space area. Pretty much just grabbing my laptop, a charger. Um, then I'll be kind of, just reviewing what needs to be done. Pretty much on the ticket, we use ConnectWise. It's a pretty decent system. I've used many others, Zendesk, Service Desk, used a whole bunch of them at different places that I worked. What we have here is me pretending to do work. Nah, not really. I was just gathering information pretty much. So I was on site tasked to remove the switch that was being used by a backup or secondary ISP. This was no longer being used, and it was just equipment that they needed to recycle, set aside in order for it to be picked up in an eventual or upcoming cleanup or recycling e-waste, right? So this is me just setting it aside, making sure everything's all tidy, set in a corner, so I can take a picture of it and let them know that it's in this location. So it's just more of that, me tidying, just leaving things where they should be. I've been at this MSP for over 2 years now. Been learning a whole lot, just more than I ever did at any of the other places. So many different clients and environments. So this client I've been to before, it's been a great experience. Just going there, they're pretty laid back. So it's just me walking back, heading home. I do commute to these locations, mostly in the city. They can be kind of difficult to get to at times, but I do enjoy being able to kind of learn more so these New York City routes and kind of just seeing new things, new places, new environments, and me just walking through that good old Grand Central. I do travel in to Grand Central a lot and kind of take subways from there, visit a lot of the client sites. There have been times where I've been to 2 to 3 locations at a time. The visiting the 2 to 3 clients at a time isn't always a thing during the high season when there are less engineers or many of us are booked. Sometimes some of us do fill in and do have 2 to 3, but usually it's 1 to 2 every now and then. So since I do work as a hybrid field tech at the moment, and I will go more in depth into this in a separate video, kind of explaining my role, what I do, how it works, and whatnot. So